up, viewers? Welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first time coming here, I say a very big welcome. Here now the place where you fit, train yourself. If you don't get money to go to the school, the big school where we go, you can branch here now. You go to wash and they teach yourself because we give you the correct update. Are you getting it? Now I introduce to you Snow White Lotion. A lot of people they be doing Snow White Lotion, but it really takes what it takes to get Snow White Lotion. Now you're looking for a way to promote this lotion. You might not get it right, but if you brand this channel, you will know how to make it. So I urge you to be coming here and watch our videos. Now this Snow White Lotion in 7 days, I know lately I've been doing 7 days lotion more because the demand is high. So in 7 days you will see result. I told you about a good cream, no matter whether whitening or whatever. That cream must get a moisturizing effect. So with this lotion, your skin will be first of all moisturized. Are you getting it? And after that, before you will see the whitening, toning effect that you need. Because your skin has to look good, smooth. If your skin does not smooth and before you get this whitening effect, it will be looking pale, like as if you're sick, right? So I will urge you first of all, before you get any Snow White lotion, ask, does it moisturize? They might tell you, okay, yes, it moisturizes. Then if it moisturizes, fine, you can use it. Are you getting it? Because any Snow White lotion must moisturize you before you get that whitening effect. And this one, they have antioxidant. Are you getting it? Abutin is there. Abutin fruit is there. Yes. Orange is there. So like all of everything that you know that will prevent you from having acne. And then again, you can still use it on your face. This is just all, that's all in one. You can use this one on your face also. So 2 in 1. We have the one you can use for only your body. We have the one you can use for your face, all over the body. Are you getting it? It's very effective. 7 days you will see result. It doesn't give knuckles. It doesn't give stretch mark. It doesn't give rashes. Just name those things that you know that some lotion, they are good, but they give side effects. It doesn't give none of all those. So you have to use it morning, night, before you see you get the right result. I told you, if you know what, 9% will be this one you use. Are you getting it? So this Snow White lotion is one in town. Place your order now. Now I want to show you another soap that you can use to match it, which is this black whitening. You understand? This whitening black soap. This is one I've told you about. This, like, if you don't want to use lotion, you don't want to be using lotion, you can use this. You can use this soap. There are some people who don't want to be using lotions at all. They can be using this soap morning, night, and you see your result perfectly. No side effect, no heat rashes. Rather, it will eat every. Black soap basically is a strong soap. Are you getting it? So it will eat every yama from your skin. So I urge you to go for this. Either you use it with yellow CC or you use it alone, fine. You will always get result. You will always see that effect you needed. Are you getting it? And don't forget also that we ship everywhere. We ship to Europe, Canada, Asia country, US, everywhere. All around the globe, we ship everywhere. And also we do train. We train. You can register with us and we give you perfect training from a scratch. Why not? Are you getting it? We will give you a perfect training from a scratch. Super in the street now, better money killer. Are you getting it? So do your best. I know you'll be considering, should I buy from him? Yes, a lot of people, they consider that a lot. Should I buy from him? He's a guy I have not, buy from us. We have even good oils. Let me show you. We have good oils as well. We have good oils as well. Look. So we have good oils to match with everything. We have good oils that you can use. Now you will see results. If you don't see result, I for know it happen now. Wow. So that is it. So place your order now.